This is Riddler at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. A playful guy with gorgeous markings. What you got there, Riddler? I gotta go find you a hanging toy, don't I? You sit up like a groundhog. You know, that's what my kitty does. It's so cute. Riddler has incredible markings. Yeah, let me get a picture of you from the side. Could you stand up, sweetheart? No, you just want to play. Oh, play with that camera cord, huh? Whoops, you got it. Oops, let go. No, you can't come out, darling. No. Oh, here we go again. Oh, this is the camera cord. Just want to play, huh? Somebody play with me?